Yeah, hi. We are doing right now SOP 2 of computerized accounting with GST of HSC IT Commerce. Now, in this experiment, okay, we will understand the concept of GST properly. Now, with the help of any open source or free education version accounting software, create a company using following details. Now, these are the details of the company has been mentioned. Company name Mrs. Bags and Baggage Traders. Company address GM Ratna Road near Maruti Mandir, Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. Pin code 415612. Website is www.bagsandbaggagetraders.com. Email ID is contact_us@bagsandbaggagetraders.com. GST number is mentioned and books beginning is mentioned. So these details are necessary for creating a company. To create a company, I am opening a software in the educational mode. Then here, create company. The name of the company is Mrs. Bags and Baggage Traders. Address is J.M. Ratna Road near Maruti Mandir, Ratnagiri, India. State is Maharashtra. Enter. Pin code is 415612, and then the email address is contact_us@bags and baggage traders BAGGE traders.com. Enter. So your company is ready by the name Mrs. Bags and Baggage Traders. Now afterwards, okay, what will be the next step? Now here, this the question says, okay, first we had finished the step of create a new company. This we have done, okay, the step of creating a new company. So this part of us is over. Now since the question says we need to apply the GST, so we need to open the features of GST. First we'll read the question. What does the question says? Enter the following transaction in appropriate voucher using by applying GST. Print GST computation report and tax invoice. Now here we have to apply GST and then we have to print the GST computation report and tax invoice. Now on 1st August 2019, purchase 150 piece of leather handbags at the rate 2500 per piece with GST 28% from Genuine Leather Bags. Now here we had purchased, the company Bags and Baggage Traders have purchased from the company Genuine Leather Bag, that is 150 piece of leather handbag at the rate 2500 per piece. So here we need to create a purchase ledger and then we need to create a ledger of Genuine Leather Bags under sundry creditors, that Genuine Leather Bags. The address of the company is given with the pin code and along with the GST number. Then on 2nd September, the company has sold 80 pieces of them at the rate rupees 3005 per piece, GST 28%, to Messrs. Shopper Stock, Pari Industrial Estate, Chiplun, Maharashtra. So the purchase also has been done in Maharashtra and the sale also has been done in Maharashtra. So here GST will be applied over here. So pin code is given, GST number is given, and we need to print what? The GST report, GST R2 and sales tax invoice. Now the above transaction clearly indicates that the purchase and sales both are within Maharashtra. So therefore 28% GST is applicable, 14% will go to state government GST and 14% will go to central government GST, goods and service tax. Now the next step, that we have to enable the GST features by pressing F11 statutory and taxation. Then we need to enable GST, and then we need to set all the details yes, and we have to type Maharashtra along with GST number. So here I have to press F11 statutory and taxation. Here GST will be yes, alter also will be yes, here it will be Maharashtra, and here you need to put the GST number also, that is 27 STUVW1234 C2Z1. Press enter, 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 enter. Again press enter, enter, enter. So we have enabled the GST features also. Now after enabling the GST features, I had put press 11, then I had selected statutory and taxation, and then I have enabled GST also by putting the type state Maharashtra and along with the GST number. Now another step, create the following ledgers account. Accounts info, ledger, single, create. Now here are the ledgers I need to create. Accounts info, ledger, create. So the first ledger will be that is purchases leather hand bags account. Press enter. This will go under purchase. Press enter, enter. Is GST applicable? Yes. Set all the detail yes. Your nature of transaction is purchase taxable. Duty is 28%, integrates automatically 14%, and 14% will come. Type of supply is goods. Then press enter, enter, and enter. Now afterwards, first we will finish this part. We had created the purchase ledger account. We had put under purchase account. Then we had went into is GST applicable, set alter detail yes, nature of transaction purchase taxable. From configuration we has made yes, and we had made GST type, integrated tax at 28%, so automatically central tax and sales tax has come 14% and 14%, and types of supply goods. So this till here we had completed our steps. After alter set and alter GST details screen will appear. Nature of transaction purchase taxable, GST details, nature of transaction purchase taxable. This already we have done it. I'm just highlighting it once again. Now we need to create one more ledger, that is sales leather handbag account under sales account. Again go over here, sales leather handbags account under sales account. Is GST applicable? Yes. Set alter yes. Your nature of transaction is sales taxable, 28%, so automatically central and state will come 14% and 14%. Enter, 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 enter. So we had completed this part. I have highlighted this green, and this has gone under sales account. Then we had to fill up this thing also. Is GST applicable? Set alter yes. Nature of transaction sales taxable. From configuration we had made yes. and then we have put integrated as tax at 28%, so automatically central and tax got calculated 14% and 14%. Then we need to create one more ledgers, okay, of SGST and CGST. Let's see. First is SGST account. Let's enter. This will go under duties and taxes. GST. This is state tax. Enter, 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 and enter. Let's follow the step. We have done SGST. I'm highlighting it in green color. Duties and taxes, we have put under duties and taxes. Type of duty and taxes GST. Automatically it got calculated. Yeah. Now we have to make CGST. CGST account. Enter under duties and taxes. GST. This is central tax. Enter, 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 and enter. So here our CGST also has been created. I am just highlighting it. Types of duty GST, and it is central tax. Now shopper stock account under sundry creditors, because we had sold to shopper stock account, so in future we will receive the money, so that person will be my sundry creditors in my account. So here message shopper stock account. Enter, enter. Shopper stock account will go under sundry debtors. Enter, enter, enter. If you want, you can mention the address of the company. Shopper stock company is in Pari Industrial Estate, Chiplun. State is Maharashtra. Pin code is 415605. Enter, enter. Regular. If you have GST number, yes, we do have GST number 27J KLM N4321 C1Z2. So we got the GST number from the question itself. This address, everything is, and the GST number is there in the question. And after putting GST number, press enter, enter, enter. Now afterwards, okay, we need to create one more ledger, that is genuine leathers. Shopper stock has been done, created. So I am just highlighting it. Highlighting it to green color, so this thing we had completed. Now genuine leather will go under sundry creditors because we had purchased, so in future we need to pay the money. So genuine leather account under sundry creditors. Enter. Address is of genuine leather is Sai Baba Nagar, then D.P Road, Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. The pin code number is 40039 and GST number is 27LMNOP 5678 V2Z2. Press enter. So all the ledgers has been created. So this was the last ledger that we need to create. Just highlighting it. So we had created purchase ledger, sales ledger, SGST, CGST, message shopper stock, and genuine leather account. So all this ledger has been created. Now we will go into step 3, that is inventory details. Escape. If I want to see all the ledger display, so all the ledgers will be seen. If I wanted to modify or to make delete, I have to go to alter. Now here I have to go to inventory info. Now in inventory info I have to go in units of measure, create, symbol is UT, formal name is unit, press enter. After units of measure, then create stock groups, categories as bag. So I have to go again back here, stock group, create, it will be bags. Press enter. We'll see the question. So in inventory details, okay, we had done this 2 step, create units of measure UT, create stock item, create as bag. Now we have to create stock item product as leather handbag with GST 28%. So go to stock items, create. The name of the stock item is leather handbags, LEATHER, leather handbags. Press enter. Here under bags, units is UT, GST is applicable, set alter yes, enter. This is goods, press, and here we need to set as 28% GST. This is taxable, that is 28%. Automatically the rate will come 14% and 14%. This is goods, enter. So inventory part is over. No GST applicable for each commodity are given at the time of creation of stock items. Product for the creation of inventory product, following are the steps. So the steps we had followed, that we had went into units of measure, inventory info, units of measure, given unit name as symbol UT, formal name description as UKAC, at the pop-up list, accept and save. Then here, after creating units of measure, now we need to create purchase, like the sales voucher as per the question. So first we need to create a purchase voucher and then sales voucher. go into accounting voucher. For purchase, press F9. Supply invoice number 1 on any date is mentioned, that is on purchase is on 1st of August. So press F2, make it 1st of August. Enter. The date is 2019, here it is 2021. You can change the date also. So if I am changing the date, it is showing the data will be lost. So I am continuing with 2021 only. Accounting voucher, supply invoice number 1, enter. Here I am purchasing, okay, from which party I am making a purchase voucher. I am purchasing, okay, from Genuine Ledger. Press enter, 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 enter. What I am purchasing? I am purchasing, okay, leather handbags. Make it as item invoice. Purchase ledger. It has to be in an item invoice, not as a voucher. Here it was as voucher, I made it as item invoice. So here I am purchasing the item, that is leather handbags. Quantity is how much? Quantity is 150 piece. Rate is 2500. Enter. Now this has the GST also. First I have to select SGST and then I have to select CGST. Automatically the taxation part will get calculated of 150 quantity of 2500. Total is around 3,75,000 and CGST and SGST has been calculated as 52,500 and 52,500. So this is our purchase voucher has been created. You can see your purchase voucher, whether it has been created or not, on display demo. This is our purchase voucher. Now we have to do sales voucher. Go to accounting voucher. For sales, press F8. Reference number 1, on which date it has happened, on 2nd September. Enter. From where we have, from whom we have done the sales, we have done sales to message shopper stock. Enter, enter, enter. This will go on the sales. Name of the item what we had sold leather handbags. How much quantity we have sold? 80 units. In how much rate? 3,500. Enter, enter. Your SGST and your CGST will be calculated. So 39,200 and 39,200 will be your SGST and CGST will be there. Press enter, enter, enter and enter. Our sales is ready. So tax invoice sales voucher is ready. Now what we need to show as per the question, that we will see. Here we had created, okay, step 4. We had created, okay, purchase and sales voucher, purchase voucher, accounting voucher, purchase order, voucher date as 1st August, supply invoice number, party field, enter Genuine Leather bag, purchase field at select purchase leather handbag, select name of the items as leather handbag, enter quantity 150, rate 2,500, then select SGST and CGST, save and accept. So here our purchase step was there. Similarly, we had followed, okay, the step of sales voucher, accounting voucher, sales, select voucher, enter voucher date, party name as Mrs. Shopper Stock, because whom we had sales ledger field, sales ledger, handbags, select name of the item, product as leather handbags, enter quantity 80 units, end date 3500, select SGST, select CGST, save and accept. So this was the step of sales voucher. Now display reports. We need to see the reports of the sales voucher. So go to reports, display daybook and sales voucher. For purchase also the same step, and for GST report, statutory report, GST TR2. I'll just show you. First we'll see display daybook. This is my sales voucher. Earlier I had showed you the purchase voucher. Now we have to see the GST TR2 report also in the reports part. Display. In display, you have to go to statutory reports, your GST and your GST TR2. Here you can see this GST TR2 report also is ready. In this way we had completed all this experiment. Here we have seen the display report also, tax invoice, sales invoice, report, display, daybook, sales voucher. For purchase order the same report, display, daybook, purchase voucher. And for GST report also display statutory report, GST TR2. For GST annual computation in PDF form also in the print mode. So you can see the GST annual computation also over here. If you want, you can see in the PDF mode also. That is also possible over here. I hope you have understood this complete experiment. In this way you will learn, okay, how to do a GST entry in Tally, and how to print the GST report, how to do the purchase GST, how to do the sales GST. This way we have completed this SOP 2. Thanks a lot.